Let's create a new Onshape document. First, draw the profile of the rocket body in a new sketch. Put a height limit to the body with a horizontal construction line. The curved profile is designed with a Bezier curve for optimal control. Draw a vertical construction line as the revolving axis. We use a thin revolve function to create the rocket body. You can adjust the body profile anytime by editing the sketch. Rename the part to Rocket Body. And change the color. Now let's create the fins. We can reuse the body profile with the intersection tool. We start with regular fins profiles and improve them later. Once the profile is defined, we use a revolve function to add the fins to the body. Using a circular pattern, we copy the fin around the body. Using Onshape unique multi-part studio feature, we are creating the base in reference to the body. Offset the exhaust circle with a starting value of 0.1 millimeter. Then offset the result to create the base pin profile. Extrude the profile in two directions to create the pin. Rename the part and change the color. Create a stable base. Create a fillet at the bottom of the pin to strengthen it. Create a chamfer on the pin's top edge to facilitate the connection to the body. In this section view, we can observe the tight fit between the base and the body exhaust area. Congrats! Your CO2 rocket is done and ready to fly. Pro tip: you can use one round of surgical tape around the base tip to fine-tune the fit.